Hey, what's going on, guys? I got another goodie for you guys. This one is for a specific demographic target area for people that's located in Illinois or the Chicago area. This is a college here. I guess it's called Northwestern. And they have certain participation research studies that you can participate in and get paid. I will put the link in the description for you guys. But I'm gonna go back here. I was just looking at these different research opportunities that they have. They got some pretty cool ones, but the ones that stood out to me the most was this one right here. It says, "Take a nap in our lab." We are seeking participants for research studies on EEG brainwaves, sleep, and cognition through the Northwestern University Psychology Department. The study will consist of one session scheduled for 2 through 4 hours. You will receive $10 per hour as compensation for your time. Participants must be between the age of 18 and 35 who can nap in the afternoon. If you are interested in participating or for more information, please see this right here, the link and the contact information. So that stood out to me, guys. I think that was pretty cool. You get $10 for 2 to 4 hours to take a nap. I mean, wow, that's amazing, guys. And it was posted 11, 16, 18, but as it's still on the page, I'm assuming that it's still available for you guys that live in the area. Another cool one I saw here was play a sound game. You get paid $15 to listen to different sounds while on a computer. That's pretty cool, guys. You must be over the age of 18 to participate. Have normal or corrected to normal vision in here. And then they got the contact person down there. I also saw one for people in relationships right here. This one was a high paying one. You get $250, $125 per person. All you have to do is be in a relationship for at least 6 months, be at least 25 years or older, be located within the 30 minutes of a drive or a train ride of Evanston. Have regular internet access and have a romantic partner who is willing to participate. Guys, if you got a romantic partner and you meet the criteria, definitely look into this. Some quick, easy money. $250. It was posted this year. Like I said before, I'm pretty sure it's still available as they still have these studies on this page. So that will let me know that these are still available, guys. Okay, let's see another one. This one is a long distance relationship. If you guys have a long distance relationship, you got 20 or 30 minutes, and you're over the age of 18 here, they will pay you to participate in the study. It doesn't say how much here, but I guess they will let you know once you qualify. Let's see if we can find another good one here. Okay, guys, they got a lot of them down here. They got formal function music. It was another one I saw that might be good for you guys. I think it was up here. Let's see. Um, okay, yeah, it was this one right here. Game changer study. Now, if you got like a teen between the ages of 13 and 17, they are eligible to get a $60 gift card right here. It's pretty cool, guys, but the study will take 3 to 5 hours to complete. Just check it out, see if you're interested, see if you qualify. Like I said, I will put the link in the description for you guys to take advantage of some of these opportunities and make some easy money. And I will be dropping frequent videos on other ways to make money easy like this. Some of them might be a little bit different, but it will be easy. So please hit that like button if you find this valuable. Smash on that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you can get notified first for videos like this on easy ways to make money on and offline and or get free products. Guys, till the next time, make some money easy. Peace out.